Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best saw for trim work that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch Dual-Bevel Glide Miter Saw. Professional level workmanship comes from high-end tools. Make sure your every cut is flawless with GCM12 SD Glide Miter Saw manufactured by Bosch. It gained popularity due to convenience, accuracy and durability. All the features a carpenter needs to deliver perfect finished furniture. Axial glide of this saw makes you the boss of this tool by giving you total control to make perfect precise cuts. Its highest capacity expands your eligibility to cut pieces of large dimensions. Convenient to use for both left and right-handed people because of its dual bevel. The other features that make this saw most convenient are square lock to release fence, one touch lock to slide fence, adjustable miter detent, detent override, battery power laser, and the list is endless. The dust chute collects 90% of the dust, keeping the machine and workplace clean. It's not portable, it does not need to be, as it is meant for workshops. In spite of the high price, this saw is unbeatable in terms of performance. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DEWALT Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. If precision is what you are looking for from your saw, then DWS 780 is the perfect choice for you. It is a compound miter saw, so you have all the benefit of using both sliding and meter saws. This saw is equipped with a powerful motor and provides high cutting capacity. The flexibility you get from adjustable meter detent plate is beyond comparable. Because it stops at 10 positions and has cam lock for hassle-free operation. The miter can be bent up to 60 degrees to the left and up to 50 degrees to the right. You can lock it down with bevel lock system for multiple bevel cuts with the same accuracy. It comes with an advanced laser light, which shows cut point by casting a thin shadow of the blade to let you see where the blade is going to cut. A 60-tooth carbide blade, dust bag, wrench and manual are included as accessories. This saw from DEWALT is suitable for heavy-duty usage and is heavy in weight. To make its portability easier, a handle is attached at the top. This product is currently covered by excellent refund, service and warranty options. At number 3, we have the Makita Compound Miter Saw. In LS1040 Compound Saw by Makita, you get all the advanced feature you were dreaming for in a budget range for DIY projects. This compound saw is small for its 10-inch blade and great for storage, but it is undoubtedly powerful than other pricey saws because of its 4,600 RPM capacity. Only 24 pounds weight of this tool makes this saw ideal for moving one room to another for home renovation and to work in outdoor to avoid dust. It has settings for speed control and stop the miter at 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, right or left, and 0 degrees, 90 degrees cuts. Miter is able to cut 0 degrees to 45 degrees to left and 0 degrees to 52 degrees to right. For variable cuts, blade changing made easy by shaft locks. Its cutting capacity is enough for home renovation and DIY projects. For professional use, you have to pick one from 12 inches miter saws rather than this. Incredible performance, high productivity and convenience of use has been ensured in this device. It is mostly suitable for light to medium use. As the price is low, the quality is not high-end, so it may not be long-lasting if used commercially. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee 12-inch Sliding Dual-Bevel Miter Saw. This miter saw is the perfect choice for applications where you need fine accuracy. This machine is designed to confirm 0.1 degree accuracy for repeated cuts. The attached dial with digital readout makes adjusting your desired angle simple. It is equipped with a powerful motor to cut the toughest woods in seconds. The added dual light is handy, even one gives out in the middle of an ongoing project. You will not have to deal much with dust, as 3/4 of the produced dusts will be removed by its dust collector. 9 positive stops are set in this miter saw. From its weight, you will realize this machine is durably made but is not portable kind. It is perfect for workshops where it will not need to move often.
And finally at number 1, we have the Makita 10-inch dual-slide compound miter saw. This one is a 10 inches saw but comes with enough capacity to cut moldings, lumber, dashboard and many more we need to cut for renovation. The miter has wide angle capacity at right and left. At left, it is 0 degrees to 47 degrees and for right the capacity is 0 degrees to 60 degrees. It has positive stops at right and left at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, 45 degrees angles, which are most common angles. The motor is powerful, delivers a soft start and maintain uniform speed throughout the cut. Its operation is also surprisingly easy, making it suitable to work in residential premises. This tool comes with a wide range of accessories that we always have to purchase separately. The handle has rubberized grip on it for day-long stress-free and continuous operation. The machine is covered by excellent refund and warranty option, but some users complained about not getting replacement due to discontinued parts by the manufacturer.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.